Hello. Today we're going to read a story. The title of our book today is called Truman. It is written by Jean Reedy and illustrated by Lucy Ruth Cummins. So let's look at our story, Truman. Here's our title page. Truman was small, the size of a donut, a small donut, and every bit as sweet. He lived with his Sarah, high above the honking taxis and growling trash trucks and shrieking cars, and the number 11 bus, which traveled south. Truman never honked or growled or shrieked or anything or anybody. He was peaceful and pensive, just like his Sarah. One day, Sarah ate a big banana with her breakfast, clipped a blue bow in her hair, and buttoned up a brand new sweater. She strapped on a backpack so big 32 small tortoises could ride along in it, but 0 tortoises did.